Hello, how is everybody today? So let's take a look at the sun, the earth, and the moon. What are some things that you know about the sun, the earth, and the moon? Oh, yeah, yeah. So we know that the sun shines in the day and that the moon comes out in the night. So when we think about that, what does that mean? What are some things that we do in the daytime? So things that we do in the daytime, we get up, we brush our teeth, we um, eat our breakfast, we go outside, we walk the dog. But things that we do in the nighttime, we could use our flashlight, play flashlight tag. We could go to sleep. We could stay up and watch movies outside. We could look for fireflies. We could count stars. Those are all things that we could do in the night. And the night is when the moon is out, and the day is when the sun is out. So in this example, my great big basketball is going to be the great big sun because the sun is huge. So now when we think about it, kids sometimes tell me that the sun moves around. Nope, the sun does not move around. It stays exactly where it is. It is the center of our universe. Okay, the sun stays there. It does not move. Well, then how do we get day and night? Well, that's a good question. Here is the earth. You can see that it's much smaller than the sun, right? It's really much smaller than the sun. So not only does it orbit the sun, goes all the way around the sun, and then it comes back. It takes it 365 days to get around the sun. Okay, that's how long that the earth takes to get around the sun in its orbit. Okay, so 365 days, that is 1 year. But the other thing is that while it is going around the sun, it's actually spinning on its axis. So you can see that it is spinning. One spin or one revolution takes 24 hours. So here you can see that the earth is spinning and it would take 24 hours to do one complete spin. That's 1 day. So while it's going around the sun, it's spinning on the axis. We don't even know that. Well, then we got one more thing that we have to throw in there. We have one more thing, and that's the moon. Here's the moon, and it's smaller than the earth, and it's much, much smaller than the sun. It's much smaller, but the moon is just really a big rock. It is a big rock, but while the earth is going around the sun, guess what? The moon is going around the earth. But the moon does not rotate like the earth does. The moon just goes around in an orbit. So here you can see that this is happening. And then if I put all of them in motion, then what's going to happen is that this is going to go travel. The moon is going to travel with the earth, and it is also going to go around the sun, but that's because the earth is orbiting the sun, and the moon orbits the earth. See that?